us.
Z is for Zana. E is for Ellie. N is for Noah. That spells Zen. For Zen learning. Thank you for coming to learn with us. Like and subscribe.
First, we're gonna pack. These are different sized suitcases. Backpack. This is a carry-on kid suitcase. This is a don't carry-on suitcase. This is a full-sized suitcase. By the way, you have to check this back. We have to check this size suitcase in the airport and before we get in the plane, and they have to scan and thingamabob. This suitcase would go under the airplane. For this size suitcase, you can pack things that you can't pack in a carry-on. In this case, you can put a toothpaste and shampoo, and you don't have to pack travel-sized stuff. These are carry-on suitcases. This one's my mommy's and this one's mine. And these suitcases come with us on the airplane. Pack at least 2 outfits when you carry on in case your big suitcase get lost. If you have a big suitcase, pack a blanket, a stuffy. These suitcases go over your head on the overhead compartment. These are personal items. A personal item can be a backpack or a purse. Mom has a purse. It can't be any bigger than a backpack. Like these. In my backpack, I'm gonna pack a tiny pillow if it fits, and a blankie, and tablet, and headphones. My mommy will pack a book and snacks. And I think I'll share my blanket if it's big enough. And she don't pack her laptop. First, we're gonna pack a check-in suitcase. And here we are going to put our clothes. Yay! I did it. We are packing for 6 days in Arizona. And don't be excited! By the way, she has a pool. She has a pool, so I'm bringing my swimsuit cover, that's rainbow, and 2 swimsuits. This one looks adorable. There. Now it didn't take up too much space. Since we are going to Arizona for 6 days, I have 3 pajamas. This one, and this one, and a doggy. I'll put them in now. There, right next to my other clothes. You don't want them to take up too much space. I did it. Weather can be unpredictable. Sometimes we don't know what the weather is going to be, so I'm bringing 3 pairs of pants and 3 pairs of shorts. I'll put them in now. Once again, they fit. Don't want them to take up too much space. There. I did it without taking up too much space. So mommy's clothes can fit maybe. Actually, I am packing dresses and shorts. There's a ton. I don't know how these just don't fit. I have to take them off the hanger to pack them too. This might take a while to turn it out to fold them, because I want to. To dinner, so I'm picking a pretty dress. It is actually pretty. Let me try to take it off 1 second. There. Oh, it has a zipper. I'm going to pack a headband with it, so it's pretty. And I think I'm going to be a princess. It's good to bring a sweatshirt or a hoodie, a lightweight jacket in case it's cold at night, and I like this. That way it is very beautiful. The dresses are already filled. Now it looks like there's no more room for Mommy's clothes. Oh wait, I can make room. There. Let me just, there. Fit. Now Mommy's clothes can fit. This is my spray. You spray your hair with it. I get the nuts out. This is my toothbrush. My toothpaste, that way I'm packing them, and my brush. Brush your hair. Now I'm going to put them in and make it so there's space for my mommy. We're going to unzip it. My spray is going in, my toothbrush, toothpaste, and my hairbrush. And now I'll close it. Did it! And now I'll close this. Let me make it so. Where's the zipper? 1 second. Oh, here's the zipper. This. Did I do it? There. I did it. Now we're packing my carry-on. And we're packing 2 beautiful shirts. I like the rainbow. I'm packing 2 outfits in case our luggage gets lost. Let me open it. It's easy to get lost from the zipper. Because the zipper is of doggy bones. Open it now. Past the ears into the stop red light. We're gonna put our clothes. I'm gonna pack 2 outfits in case our suitcase get lost. Let me take it. That way, we will know how many we have, because we have 4. I think that's it. Let's go. And I think my books will go on the top. The favorite book right there. Wait, that is my favorite book. These both are. Let me see if it fits. Fits? Yeah, it fits. Now we close it. Let me put these over here. Now we'll go pack my backpack. It goes under the seat in front of me, so I will put my entertainment and my snacks. And blanket, it's under it. Let me open it up. I think something to go in here. My tablet might not fit. 1 second. I packed all the stuff in a second. That way the snacks should go in this other part too. It kind of blends in. It's very hard. That way, don't forget your chargers. Now we have a charger now. And they go into other stuff. And it fits. It's like a giant worm. And we got the now let's other part. Now I'm all packed in my bag. I'm ready to go Arizona tomorrow. Yeah. So before you go to bed, make sure to put your cozy clothes, if you bring any, well you have to. Make sure to put out your cozy clothes for traveling. So my traveling clothes, they are so cute and cozy. I like unicorns. So we're gonna put my stuffy. This is attached to her, she looks adorable. And she will go in here or here. I haven't guessed yet. Please have fun if you go on a travel. I hope this helps you when you travel. So bye! Like and subscribe and hit that bell.